little brethren, who taught you to sing before the dawn, when song began to be? Oh, little brethren, when upon the wing you walk upon the sky, and merrily chant anthems of your own, drown for a while the pain of many men, and by this song teach hominids a little while to smile upon a simple joy, forgotten long. Oh, little brethren, oh, little brethren, teach us yet to grow to be all little as you are, to hover over all and all forget, save this one truth that you bring from afar, that worry marred the aeons upon earth, while littleness was free with little mirth.